And these are elbows by Boeray. So these are 1/4 inch. And because I'm putting this on a shelf, I'm not going to have a lot of space up to the side. I'm going to use this to be able to point it up or back or however I can put this. So I'll just get it right there for now, and then when I figure out exactly how I want this, then I'll tighten that up. Okay, and this one I do know that I want to have going basically straight back. Just about like that. So I've got that coming out here. I'm going to have the regulator mounted right here. So this is just going to plug in. Just like that. So that's basically the perfect length for that whip. And then I'm going to plug in my reel right here. So that should work. So I'm just going to spin this around so that it's a little tighter. And to make sure that it's not in the way. All right. So yeah, that should be just fine. Take it down to 120.